Need to program a key fob for your 1996-2001 Infiniti I30? It's a simple DIY process. These models use a basic RF system operating around 314 MHz. You'll be synchronizing the remote with the car's body control module, BCM, by putting the car into Learn mode, a standard feature in Nissan Infiniti vehicles of this era. The key is to cycle the ignition and press the fob buttons in a specific sequence. Remember, precise timing is crucial, and fresh batteries, CR2032, in the fob are a must. Up to 4 fobs can be programmed per vehicle. This is an analog process. No apps or software are needed. Here's how to program the key fob. First, close the driver's door. Cycle the ignition from off to on, accessories, and back multiple times, typically 5 times for later models, up to 10 for 1996 models, within 10 seconds to enter programming mode. Then, press the lock-unlock buttons on the fob in a timed pattern. A successful pairing is usually indicated by the car's locks cycling. If it doesn't work, ensure the fob's FCC ID matches the vehicle, OE38HA. Common issues include corroded fob battery contacts or a faulty BCM. If pairing fails repeatedly, consider using an OBD2 scanner to check for BCM diagnostic codes like U1000. If all else fails, a professional ECU reset might be needed.